Before the commercials, I asked folks to make a list of what stresses men out. Topping the list, here's the official list. Ready? Finances. That's followed by family and relationships, job stability, of course, and just a fast-paced life. So, Dr. Samadi, I mean, how does guys and women, but how do us guys deal with stress more effectively?
Well, we've had this discussion before, and you always wanted to know exactly what does stress do to our body. All of the things that you mentioned are really the external forces that affect our body. How do we fight this back? There's a defense mechanism that we've spoken about in the past. How do you make your body stronger? And sleep, for example, is one of those things because all the repair in the body happens while you're asleep. Taking your antioxidants, clearing all of those free radicals are the way you defend against stress. Now, having said that, the stress affects your entire body. It affects your hormones. Some of the hormones that you've talked about between, fight or flee, those norepinephrine and epinephrines, where they make your hands sweat, your heart rate goes up as a result of stress, that affects heart disease. Your heart rate will go up. Your cortisol level will go up and causes breakdown in your immune system. So the first thing is recognize that you are stressed out. That's the first thing. Denying it is a big problem, and find a way to deal with it. Whether it's yoga, swimming, meditations, talk to other people. That's really the best way to manage stress.
You can take a time out. Why can't guys our age take a time out and go, I'm going Zen now?
Wait, isn't that our job to give you the time out?
And that's it.
Eric, 2 points. I want to emphasize something David just said. I wrote a book called False Alarm about how we don't react well to stress because of what he just said, the fight or flight response, where we build up these hormones in our body, norepinephrine, adrenaline, and basically it is very bad for our health. But the other issue is that there is a difference between men and women, and a study that came out in USC, University of Southern California, 2 years ago, emphasized that point. We men, Eric, don't deal with emotion well. We bottle it up. We don't get it out. Women are much better than that. I'm afraid it's more than a stereotype. It's true. We don't go to the doctor. We don't deal with our health issues. We worry. And as this survey shows, we worry about our finances, we worry about our jobs, and we worry about our relationships, but we don't express it.
Well, men try to solve the problems. That's the thing. We always try to solve the issue, but women, their approach is more emotionally, and they're able to really think about every angle, and so we think different. And there's no question that there's a big difference between men and women when it comes to management of stress.
All right, well, we'll work on that.
Got everything you need, Eric?
I think there's a longer list, but we'll work on it.
And take a vacation.
We're a different species.